This week I'm focusing on how we can support and help protect the body against the shockingly awful disease of Alzheimer's. And you may not be aware of the glymphatic system in the brain, which is like the lymphatic system, helps to remove toxicity and waste that builds up in the brain. But this is only activated when we sleep. So it's really important to think about how best you can optimize your own sleep. If you struggle to have good sleep, struggling to get to sleep, or wake frequently through the night, I've done blogs on this and podcasts that are on my website. You can find that through the link in my bio. But what sort of steps are you taking? Minimizing alcohol, having relaxing techniques, thinking about blue light blocking glasses and switching off your devices that have that blue light that can impact, thinking about how you balance your blood sugar, because low blood sugar in the night may lead you to be waking more at night time, how you can minimize the stress in your lives. There's plenty of things to be thinking about here, but trying to improve your sleep is really important to activate that glymphatic system to remove toxicity and waste that builds up in the brain that can be really damaging and one of the risk factors for Alzheimer's.